birthday, Mama. Best wishes, and I love you too much. And I also like playing badminton, and you also like playing badminton. Happy birthday once again. Even if you're getting 40 years old, you're getting more younger.
Bye.
Bye.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. I'm sure we are obviously there with you. And welcome to the club of 40. And hope we have a similar celebration when you're turning 50. So ciao and have a great birthday. This is for you from the Sky Towers on your 40th birthday. 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tina. Happy birthday to dear Tina. May God bless you again.
Happiest 40th birthday, my dearest daughter. As you hit this fabulous milestone, know how proud I am of the strong, amazing, and beautiful woman you have become. May this new decade bring you boundless joy, adventure, and fulfillment as you embrace life's next beautiful chapter. Papa.
Happy birthday, Tina Baisa. Many, many happy returns of the day. आने वाला साल शुभकारी हो, साताकारी हो और प्रोग्रेसिव हो. आने वाले साल आपके लिए, हमारे लिए और हम सभी के लिए ढेरों खुशियां लाए. हाँ, मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ. I am proud of the way you think. You have absolute clarity of mind and carry uncluttered mind. And thus you are able to see things as they are and not as they appear to be. All very best.
हैप्पी बर्थडे चीना. ये साल बहुत अच्छा जाए तुम्हारे लिए, नया साल भी. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Thank you.
Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. This one is dedicated to Cheena Masi since it's her 40th birthday. So Cheena Masi, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Now I know you wouldn't be having that much fun since I'm not there in New Zealand with you and you must be missing me so much. But still, I hope you have the best 40th birthday ever. And once again, wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Love you.
We wish you a merry birthday. We wish you a merry birthday. We wish you a merry birthday, Cheena Chachi.
Happy birthday, Cheena. Have a great day and have fun in New Zealand.
Happy Happy birthday, Tina Chachi. I can't believe you're turning 40, and I also hope you have a great Christmas at New Zealand. Yeah, have a great Christmas and a happy birthday. Make sure to send a lot of pictures and eat cake. Best wishes. Merry Christmas. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hey Chira, wish you very very happy birthday. Although it's your 40th, but doesn't look like, and neither do you seem like hitting your 40s. You'll always be a sweet 20 when I met you. Wish you all the best, and lovely being with you on this trip, and hope to have many more such trips with you. She's still trying to figure out what to speak, so her message will follow.
Wish you a very very happy birthday, China. I'm blessed to have a sister with you.
With you, like you.
Okay, I'm blessed to have a sister like you. और मुझे पर तेरी अभी भी 500 समथिंग इज पेंडिंग, जो कि मुझे तुझे मारना है, जो कि तू बचपन से हमारा अकाउंट चल रहा है, वो अभी तक सेटल नहीं हुआ है. बट आई लव यू सो मच.
Bye.
Wish you a very happy 40th birthday, China. You are like a younger sister to me, so I'm wishing you the best. Be as smart, as beautiful, and as kind you are always. Have a great day and enjoy your 40th. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wishing you a beautiful year ahead. Welcome to the 40s world. थोड़ा back pain, थोड़ा grey hair. ना इधर के, ना उधर के, exactly बीच के. Welcome to that world. But believe me, the best time of your life starts now, China. Have a superb year ahead and a fabulous day in New Zealand. Miss us, and your party is due. 40th. Awesome. Bye-bye. Take care.
Happy birthday, China. Wow, you're turning 40. While that might mean that you're around here for more than 21 million minutes, but in your case, I think it's just 18 years sweetheart with 22 years of maturity.
Welcome to the 40s Club, China. You're officially reached the age where every story starts with I remember when. Right? Have a blast and hope your candles don't set off the fire alarm. Have a great decade. Wish you many more millions of wealth, health, joy, new adventures, and all the love that you deserve. Bye.
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. आपको आपकी हर बर्थडे के पहले ऐसे ही विश करेंगे कि एक प्रमोशन मिलता रहे, एंड मे यू कीप क्लाइंबिंग द कॉर्पोरेट लैडर हायर एंड हायर एज योर एज passes by. And yes, enjoy the 40s club. This is special. These are the new 20s, so we'll party hard and party more.
Happy birthday, Kriti Bhabhi. Hope you are having an amazing one in New Zealand. I know we are missing it. I wish we were there on this birthday and we could have celebrated it together. But nevertheless, have an amazing time in New Zealand, and hope every turn is as beautiful as the lakes and the mountains there. And hope you cut your birthday cake at something as magical as the helicopter ride that you had. And we love you a lot and have an amazing time.
Lots of love. Happy birthday once again.
बहुत दुख हो रहा है. 30s are gone. I'm really sorry, China ji. 30s are gone now. 40s बच्चे हक से आंटी बोलेंगे अब आपको. It's okay. ठीक है, ऐसा होना ही था किसी ना किसी दिन. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. एनीवेज, आप तुम्हें कुछ कहना है?
Happy birthday, happy birthday, and wishing you the next 40-50 years of joy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, happy 40th birthday.
Happy 40th birthday, China Di.
Happy 20th birthday, China Didi. Oops! Happy 40th birthday, China Didi.
Hi, China Didi. Happy 40th birthday. What do I say? I am so proud of you. आपने इतना अच्छा अपनी लाइफ को बैलेंस करके रखा है. आई रियली लव टॉकिंग टू यू. आई लव योर हग्स. you're simply too good. मैं जब भी बैंगलोर आती हूँ ऐसे एकदम इतना ज़्यादा घर जैसा लगता है. आपका एक हग एंड लाइक आपने इतना प्रोफेशनली सही किया है. आप ऋषि को इतना अच्छे से मैनेज करते हो. लाइक आई लुक अप टू यू अ लॉट. आई रियली होप मैं भी अपनी लाइफ में ऐसे थोड़ा भी कर पाऊँ. एंड आई रियली लव यू. I hope you have the best year ahead. I hope you have the best life ahead. And I'm so lucky to be your sister. Thank you so much.
Happy 40th birthday कृति. It's so special कि तुम्हारा 40th birthday वहाँ न्यूजीलैंड में हो रहा है. वापस आना जल्दी, फिर एक साथ पार्टी करेंगे.
Hope you're having a lot of fun. Keep balancing between Pani Puri and the balance sheets. To the new barista. Happy 40th. Have fun.
Take
See
care.
you soon.
See you soon.
Happy birthday, Kriti. This is a birthday wish for you in Sanskrit.
जन्मदिनइदं ऐ प्रिये कृति.
This means happy birthday, Kriti.
शान्तनु तुते शर्वदाइदं.
May this birthday of yours bring in auspiciousness and happiness.
प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषी.
We pray that you enjoy 100 beautiful years.
ईश्वर सदा त्वं च रक्षतु.
May God always protect you.
पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमर्जया.
May you earn fame by your virtuous actions.
जीवन तवा भवतु सार्थकम्.
And may your life be fulfilling.
फिर से गा लो.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kriti auntie. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Kriti auntie. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Kriti, hope you're having a wonderful time in New Zealand. Wishing a fabulous 40th birthday to a fabulous person. Here's to many more hikes, 10 o'clock desserts, chocolate cakes and mehndi sessions. Cheers and welcome to the 40s Club.
Happy birthday Kriti. I trust that Prakhar is spoiling you properly. Hoping that the 40s are full of fun, frolic and fitness. Have a wonderful time.
Hi, Kriti auntie. Happy birthday, Kriti auntie.
नमस्कार दोस्तों. एक टाइम था जब मैं बहुत एजाइल थी, बहुत फुर्तीली थी. 2-2 सीढ़ियां एक साथ चढ़ जाया करती थी. 4 घंटे बैडमिंटन खेलने के बाद 4 घेवर और 200 गोलगप्पे खा जाया करती थी. और फिर एक दिन मैं 40 की हो गई. उफ!
अब मेरे घुटनों में दर्द होता है, लेबल पढ़ने के लिए चश्मा लगता है और चश्मा ढूंढने के लिए फोन का टॉर्च. जब भी कुछ खरीदने जाती हूँ पहले मैं लेबल देखती हूँ और उसमें शुगर परसेंटेज कितना है वो पढ़ती हूँ.
बट 40s का मतलब बोरिंग होना नहीं है. इट जस्ट मीन्स यू आर बिकमिंग मोर स्मार्ट.
अब फिटनेस भी सोच समझ कर करना है और खाना भी. हैप्पी बर्थडे कृति. See you in 40s real soon.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
हाय, विश यू वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे. बहुत बहुत कंडोलेंसेस आपकी 40वीं बुढ़ापी भी. और जब आप आओगी तो आपको इन पर्सन भी मिल जाएंगी. होप आप बहुत बुढ़े होते रहें, अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करते रहें. बाय द वे कृति को मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहूँगी for being a confidant and a big support during my first year of infant child who was very difficult to handle, to say the least. कृतिका सबको सेंसिबल सोफिस्टिकेटेड साइड पता है, बट मुझे एक साइड पता है जो मुझे भी एक ही बार में देखने को मिला है, विच वॉज आवर न्यू ईयर पार्टी, विच वॉज एपिक. तो वो हम तीनों ने बहुत मज़े किए एंड दैट्स अ स्टोरी दैट रिमेन्स विद द थ्री ऑफ अस कि हमने कितनी अय्याशी करी उस पार्टी पे, न्यू ईयर पार्टी पे इन 2015. यस, तो आप आओ, फिर हम फिर से पार्टी करेंगे. आई होप वी कैन डू वन सच मैड पार्टी अगेन इफ़ योर एज अलाउज, यू नो. हम तो भी यहाँ पहुँचे नहीं हैं. एनीवे, हैव अ ग्रेट टाइम, एन्जॉय एंड लेट्स मीट व्हेन यू आर बैक. बाय, हैप्पी बर्थडे
बेबी. कृति आंटी को आई बोलो. आई आई फ्लाइंग किस दो, फ्लाइंग किस दो बेबी. इधर देखो बेबी, इधर देखो. ओए इधर देखो, फ्लाइंग किस. कृति आंटी को फ्लाइंग किस. एक फिर से दो, कृति आंटी को फ्लाइंग किस. फिर से दो एक बारी. इधर देखो बेबी, इधर देखो. कृति आंटी को हैप्पी बर्थडे बोल दो. हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Hi girl, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. Welcome to the club. You're not old, you're just classic and you're fabulous. Trust me, life begins at 40. And cheers to our 20 years of friendship. And you have not changed. You're just the same what I have seen you in 2005. There is no change in you. So have a rocking day. Have a great year. And loads of love and blessing to you. More adventure, more great things in life. So enjoy yourself and I'll see you next year. Love you. Bye.
Hey Kriti, so we are gathered here today to acknowledge a very significant milestone. 40. Wow. They say life begins at 40, which is great news because it clearly means the previous versions were just beta releases. I know, shocking. We all needed a moment. First of all, congratulations on surviving your 20s, your questionable 30s, and now entering the decade where Google searches start with, is it normal if? Huge achievement, truly. We are really glad you'll be in New Zealand. Fresh air, wide open space, and absolutely no mirrors nearby. Very thoughtful planning. But jokes aside, 40 looks unfairly good on you. You're wiser, cooler, and somehow still pretending age is just a number. Happy birthday, you magnificent fossil. We love you.